Let's take a closer look because I want to make sure you have a real clear picture of the work that we're doing, because at times the camera angle can be a little bit tough. So let's get in here close. So what we're going to be replacing today is the crankcase breather hose right here. So this is where it comes up into the crankcase and is recycling exhaust gases back up through. And this is where, you know, oil condensates and other things come up through. So as you can see all the way down here, and I'll put my finger on it right here, you can see the bolt for it. So when I'm talking about this bolt here in just a second, at the bottom of the breather hose right here, you have a T20 bolt. So you're going to take that out and we're going to undo this clip right here at the top, and then this hose comes off. The catch can is going to sit right here in between, where it's going to have one hose that comes up from down below, goes into the catch can, comes back around and goes back into your crankcase right here. So you've got your catch can sitting in between and catching all those particulates. Now there's a couple of ways of doing this. Now if you have small hands and you can get a tool in here and get a T20 on this bolt right here, you can do this without removing your air box, which is not hard, but to save time, if you don't have to remove it, you don't have to, which is great. If you do, you just press down on the clip right here and your MAF sensor cable will come off. You just loosen the hose clamp right here, and then you can back the collar off on this and the entire air box will come out, and you can get to this much more easily. So you can do it either way, it just really all depends on space. So if we can do this today without taking the airbox off to save time, we're going to. But if we skip ahead in a second and the airbox is gone, you'll understand why of what I've done. I've just taken this out, depressing this collar, and then the whole airbox comes out.